Magre-record yan. Okay, so we are here in Brazil right now. You can see. Okay guys, I'll see you later.
Oh, okay. Ito na. Paano ko i-edit?
Mommy, happy?
Paano yung kabila naman?
Kuya, guys, I love you.
Ay, yung kabila.
Hi guys!
Bye-bye.
Kita mo kami?
First
Hindi
vlog
eh.
going
Kita mo
to
kami.
Hong Kong. Ten.
On the way to see
Bye-bye!
Luggage check.
AirAsia Flight Z2-888 bound for Incheon is now boarding 176. Requesting all Incheon bound passengers of AirAsia Flight Z2-888.
Cathay Pacific, here we go. Hello guys, so 2 hours pa yung flight, kaya cellphone muna bago lumipad. Wala lang, share ko lang, wala akong magawa dito.
Passenger Jan Damos, Passenger Linda Romero, Passenger Gloria Boroman, and Passenger Rosemary.
Hello po.
Nice place.
Thank you ma'am.
This way. Ano yung seat number?
60.
Okay, close your end, right hand side, window seat.
Windows. Okay.
60.
Airport, time check 10:30 p.m. On the way to next gate for Sydney, Australia. Let's go. Solo flight. Time to transfer. Hong Kong, baby. We at Hong Kong. Going to gate 26. And this is cool. Hey, what's up guys? Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Hong Kong. And ako lang mag-isa. First time in my life nag-travel mag-isa. And nasa airport ako. And feel ko achievement siya sa akin kasi I feel so independent. So, let's go kung anong next na mangyayari with this Manila to Hong Kong, then Hong Kong to Sydney. Gabi na eh. So, ayun. Wala nang sunlight sa labas to picture. Dito na lang. Okay. Yun lang. Lord, please bless my trip. Thank you. Hong Kong to Sydney. Okay. To Sydney. Akala ko makakalabas. Pero okay lang. Dito naman tayo para mag-work. Pero sana makagala soon. We'll see. Bye-bye. 46 days.
This way, please.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, how are you? Alright.
You know your way? Absolutely. 46A sa dapat. And the window seat.
Okay, thank you. Thanks to Kate at lagi akong window seat. Kate Senga, my high school classmate, 4th year. Thank you. And menu, of course, later. Kain tayo. We're flying. Let's go. Just woke up in Australia. Different time zones. City, baby. Okay, update. Naiwan ko yung keycard ko sa loob, so humingi ako. Hi, thank you. Welcome to my room for one night. And we meet ko yung relatives ko sa Sydney with Ate Kim, Julia, and Pogi. So here it is, hotel view for a night. Hello Sydney, gusto ko na lumabas. Woo! Let's go, time to meet my family from the Philippines. Sa baba na sila guys. Let's go. Gala time. Yes! Sydney time. Hello! Yes, Sydney. Hello guys.
Basta.
Look at my vlog. Tara, gala.
Tagalog
yun, Tagalog.
Hello.
Iniisip niya kanina si Kyle. Yung kamukha nun. Sabi niya.
Ito, first contract. Bahala na. Oh!
Yan yung sasakyan mo?
The Seas, hindi. Coral.
Babukas pa.
Royal Caribbean. Solid. Anong bridge to? London Bridge? Charis.
Anzac, yun yung ano nila dito.
Opera House. Grabe.
Hindi lang ako pumunta na ng tanghali dito.
Sakit sa balat ng araw, no? Ganito yung feeling ng tinapay sa toaster. Ayun na, picture ka, Tim!
Game. Doon?
Yes! Julia! Sakit na sa winter. Ang sikat dito, fish and chips. Yun ang tawag sa fries. Yun ang atang iyakim eh. Pang-army pa lang.
Mali na pasukan. Ano? Sorry po. Binigyan ng baril.
Pang military pala yung sasakyan niya. Pang ano, Navy.
Ano yung mga ano dito? Theater? Ganun, no?
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Performing arts?
Alam mo yung sa TikTok, ay nakita ka na. Okay.
Binabato ata yun. Ito sasaluhin. Talo.
Pero sasabihan na nila yung mga dito ba?
Opera House.
Pwede ka tumambay dyan sa ilalim ng puno. Pumatun sa kayo. Walang pakialam.
Itong lamig na. Wala nang araw. Ano to?
Tumambay dyan.
School? Or museum? Good. Thank you.
Strawberry slippers ka niya.